Hi, Vicki Piper here with Piper Real Estate Group with NavX Realty. Welcome to a brand new listing, 8486.0 Woods Court, located here in Springboro. I know you're gonna love this property. Come on in. With 4 bedrooms and 4 full baths and a finished walkout lower level, you're going to love all the space. This backyard is one of my favorites. You are going to love this private retreat with this in-ground pool that is 32 by 16 with 20,000 gallons, plus a waterfall, and it is heated. You will love it. If you've enjoyed this tour and would like a showing, give us a call. We'll get a scheduled showing for you right away.